Good morning, guys. So I'm doing a very random vlog today. I'm currently home by myself and it's Tuesday, so I have online school. Look how blue my eyeballs look. But I'm currently home by myself. I'm running a bath, as you can hear in the background. I'm literally freezing cold, so I'm going to like turn on like a little heater, I think, and put it in my room and shit like that because it was cold. But I need to get some coffee first, light my candle, get my bath soap, all of that stuff. I just took out Bailey. Yesterday I did some homework, actually a bunch of homework I had to catch up on because I didn't go to school last Friday because I had to go to a family thing. So I have nothing planned today, just like some cleaning and stuff like that. So we're gonna see how this goes. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and let's get started. So I decided to use a mason jar for my coffee today. I was gonna make warm coffee, but I probably won't finish it if I make warm coffee, and I know I'll drink all of my iced coffee. I'm much more an iced coffee type of girl. I don't know why. I just like, I don't know. I think warm coffee, like, it gets cold. And like, obviously cold coffee can get warm, but it's just like, I don't even know. I can't get all these freaking ice cubes out. My mom used all of my other creamers, so I have to use this one, which I also love. But I was kind of looking forward to getting to use my other one. It's actually brand new. I didn't even realize that. Got it. So today I just mainly have 3 online classes, and I got all of my cause work done yesterday. So all I have to do is do my meetings and shit like that. I thought I was gonna get a bit of an earlier start on my day because I've been up since 7 because that's when my brother goes to school. But I just like wanted to lay in bed all day, and not all day, probably basically all day. I just wanted to like lay in bed. Could be beautiful. I just wanted to lay in bed, and I tried going back to sleep and I couldn't, but I actually do have kind of a lot to do today. I have a bunch of laundry I need to put away because I just filmed a haul. I'm gonna fold some laundry for my mom so she doesn't have to do it. I need to sweep like my kitchen and my bedroom. I need to finish a school project I have, so there's definitely some stuff I have to do, and I also have to do laundry for my neighbor because she pays me to do her laundry. So I'm going to fill this up, go get in the bath, and we'll see where the day takes us from there. Okay, so I'm done with my bath, and I know I'm looking a little rough. I'm gonna do my makeup and stuff later, but I just wanted to clean and everything first. But I quickly want to give you guys a little Bath and Body Works haul. I've bought in so many candles in the past like month because they've been having like a bunch of different sales. So I just figured I'd show you guys a few things because if any of you are like me, you love candles, and Bath and Body Works makes the best scents ever. So the first one I have is just this one right here. This is the Vanilla Pumpkin Marshmallow. This is the one I'm currently burning clearly, and it smells literally so good. I'm obsessed with it. And I usually don't buy Bath and Body Works candles unless they're like on a sale. So like I'll buy the 2 for $20 medium-sized candles, or I'll buy the big ones when it's like buy one get one free, or like $10 or $12 off the big ones. So then I also got this one, which is White Pumpkin. The packaging is beautiful on this. It literally smells absolutely amazing. And the notes are white pumpkin, autumn spice blend, ground cinnamon with essential oils. I'm not gonna obviously tell you the notes on the vanilla pumpkin marshmallow because I'm currently burning it. And then I have my favorite scent ever, which is Leaves from them. And this literally smells like fall 100%. The notes are crisp red apple, golden nectar, warm clove spice with essential oils. They all have essential oils. The last big one I have is Marshmallow Fireside. This smells amazing. I never liked this candle before this year. Like every year I would smell it and I never liked it. But this year I ended up buying it because I was like, okay, this smells different this year. But the notes are toasted marshmallow, smoldering woods, fire roasted vanilla, and crystallized amber. And it just smells so beautiful. I have a bunch of the little ones. I have the caramel pumpkin swirl. This is my mom's best friend's favorite scent, and I do plan on making another fall candle purchase, hopefully within the next 3 weeks. Hopefully they go on sale, and if they don't, I'm just gonna buy a bunch of the little ones because I have 20% off your entire purchase. So I'm just like waiting for them to go on sale so then I can put the coupon on top of it and get like a bunch of candles for nothing. There's like 5 candles I want to buy, and I think like 3 of them are scents I don't have yet that I've smelled in stores. Anyways, the notes on this candle are luscious caramel, ground cinnamon, rich brown sugar, and creamy vanilla. Then I have a little leaves because, like I said, this is my favorite scent, so I had to buy a spare one. I have vanilla pumpkin marshmallow, and this is Tahitian vanilla, pumpkin spice, homemade marshmallow, and drizzled caramel. And then I also have a single wick of the Marshmallow Fireside, but it's over there by my makeup stuff. So that's just kind of all the candles I've gotten. I definitely plan on ordering like 4 or 5 more. Hopefully they go on sale, and like I said, if the big ones don't go on sale, I'll just order a bunch of the little ones because those are 2 for $20 all the time. But yeah, that is just my little Bath and Body Works haul. Okay, so I just fed Bailey. You can hear her eating. She eats extremely loud. But now I need to do some cleaning. I'm first going to make my bed, and I need to wash one of my blankets because it has Bailey hair all over it. And then I'm going to sweep and put away some of my clothes. I have a little over an hour until my first Zoom meeting, so let's hope we can get this shit done. But yeah, I'm gonna take the big blanket downstairs, start some laundry, and then we'll clean my room and make my bed. Okay, so I just took out the trash, and now I'm going to do some sweeping and make my bed. But I was picking up the living room, like making the couch and everything, and I realized that I need to sweep in there too. There's dog hair just like on the floor. She sheds really bad, and then it just kind of like clumps up, so there's like little fuzz hairs everywhere. So I'm gonna do all of that. Hopefully this goes smoothly. My dog's hiding because she hates the vacuum, and I always feel so bad. But we're going to get started finally. I keep talking, and I know it's probably annoying, but this is a vlog after all, so. Okay, so I swept the whole house, and I have a little under an hour before my first Zoom meeting. So I have my school project finished. It doesn't look amazing, but it doesn't look bad either. Like, she's cute, I guess, I don't know. But I'm going to show you guys that, and then I have a ton of laundry that I have to put away because, like I said, I got a bunch of new clothes, and then I went and bought hangers yesterday, and I just did not have the time yesterday to put them away. So I'm gonna do that today, and I'm probably not gonna vlog me putting it away just because I kind of want to listen to music while I do it, but I'll show you guys the before and the after. This is the school project. I could do whatever I wanted to it, and so I just like did this eye look, and I know it doesn't look amazing, but the problem was stuff does not like to blend well on styrofoam. But she's got some highlight on. I put some hair on her with some face paint and a bandana to like cover the back of the head. I didn't paint all the way around, which maybe I should have, but I just didn't have, like, my foundation started to run out that I used. But this is what she looks like. Let's hope I get a good grade on it because it took me forever. Basket is everything I have to put away. This is the before. I have a ton of hangers. I have so many clothes, like it's ridiculous. But I don't know if you guys have ever really seen my closet, but this is my closet. I have like birthday presents in that bag, and my mom just keeps some stuff back there, but like all my shoes are kept here. And I kind of want to get like a shoe rack because I feel like it would organize it better. And that's also the ring light. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but that's my ring light and like my book bag and shit. But this is the before, and I'll show you guys the after when it's finally done. Okay, so this is the after. It actually didn't take up as much room as I thought it was, but I'm very low on closet space. But I have like all of my jackets and hoodies, that like my favorite hoodies back there, and then jackets. And then I have like oversized tees, cropped tees, long sleeves, and then tank tops. That's kind of how I organize. And then over here I have dresses in the front and then skirts in the back. So yeah, and then there's my scrubs for school, so. So I just got done with my first meeting, and my mom is home now, so I don't really want to film in front of her. But like 5 days ago, I had an Ulta gift card, and a new palette came out that I really wanted, so I bought it, and then I bought 2 foundations, and I just quickly wanted to show you guys that. About a year ago, last summer, I tried the Juvia's Place foundation, but I had it in a shade way too dark, and I was watching Nikki tutorials, and she just keeps recommending this, so I finally got it in my shade. I got it in 720. I hope that's the right shade. It might be a little bit light, but I definitely think I can darken it. And then I also got the new Colourpop Pretty Fresh foundation, not the BB cream, and I got this in Fair 20N, which also I hope is the right shade. I think it's like the 3rd shade or something. I don't know, we're gonna try it. And the palette I've been really wanting since I saw it, and my boyfriend told me I should get it, so I was like, all right, I have a gift card. Is the Too Faced Marielle palette. It's super pretty packaging, and the colors look like that. I don't really want to open it right now just because I'm holding my phone, but those are just a few things I bought recently. And I also have the new Friends collection coming in the mail. I bought the big eyeshadow palette and 2 lip glosses, so that's everything for now. I need to go start my neighbor's laundry so that I can get that done today. But that's everything for now. This vlog might be really short. I might combine it. I don't know. But yeah. So I just did my neighbor lady's hair and makeup just because she asked me to. She's like my mom's best friend. She basically lives with us half the time. But I got my boyfriend's gifts in the mail. I got him some Champion sweatpants and a hoodie, and then I got him some like a shit ton of protein bars because he's really into working out and everything. But I'm about to like cut up an apple with some peanut butter or something because I haven't eaten anything today. And then I have 2 more meetings today, so we're just chilling for now. I'm starving, but yeah. So I cut up my apple. Turns out we're all out of peanut butter, so I couldn't have any of that, but having an apple, well, half an apple. I don't think I can finish a full one, so. But yeah, I need to do my other Zoom meetings now, so. Today's pretty boring, I know guys, I'm sorry. I just kind of felt like vlogging, so I guess that's just what I did. So, 2nd meeting done, about to start my 3rd. I just made some steak to eat because I've literally not eaten anything and I'm starving, and I know when my boyfriend comes over, I will get yelled at if I don't eat. So, this is what we're dealing with. I need to finish cutting it, and I, of course, have my A1 sauce. But Bailey clearly thinks that she's gonna get some. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go eat, do my last meeting. I need to clean my makeup brushes today. Started the last load of laundry. So I feel like I've gotten a lot done. I'm pretty proud. So I just finished my last meeting. And honestly, I think I'm just gonna end this video here because I'm not doing anything else today. I honestly don't even know if this is gonna go up. It was very random, but I feel like this morning, like, I cleaned and I did a little haul for you guys and stuff like that. So maybe I will post it, I don't know. But if this video goes up, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. I hope you guys enjoyed this random vlog. I have homework too tonight, and I need to clean my makeup brushes at some point this week. So there's just not much more for me to show you guys. Plus, everybody's gonna be coming home from school soon. So that's all. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.